the snow flies, turn to KWQC HD6 to find out if school is in session. Look for school closing information on the bottom of your screen during Quad Cities Today and the Today Show, or check online at kwqc.net for a complete updated list of school closings and delays. Closing information on KWQC HD6 is brought to you by AmeriClean.
She calls it a Christmas miracle. While many of you may be shopping for gifts or opening them tonight, a Milan woman says she has received the gift of life this holiday. She was diagnosed with a rare lung disease 3 years ago, one of just several hundred women with it in the United States. After a double lung transplant, she is now on the road to recovery and home for the holidays.
That one was mine.
Made that one this year.
Christmas is a big deal in the Putnam house. Bigger and much better this year than last.
I don't think Mel left the house from Christmas Day. We went to my folks' house for Christmas, and she did not leave the house, I believe, until Easter.
Melanie Putnam was dealing with a debilitating lung disease.
It's a very rare lung disease called lymphangioliomyomatosis.
It's also called LAM.
It basically what it does, it just suffocates you until you have respiratory failure.
Melanie was pregnant with her second child when she was diagnosed back in 2008.
I was just having a lot of shortness of breath, and when I went to see my gynecologist, she sent me to a specialist.
She flips on her screen, which has a CT scan, and this image pops up, and it's just these lungs with holes in them. And that was the worst. Coming home, I bet we made 10, 15 phone calls of just devastating news.
Life-changing news, and with the passing weeks and months, Melanie's lung capacity shrank from 70 to 50 to 30 to 10%.
It was absolutely horrible to not be able to be with my children. I never got to hold Josiah when he was little. I couldn't pick up.
She says the family made it work until May of this year.
All of a sudden, I just started having seizures. I wasn't getting oxygen to my brain, and my lungs collapsed.
Already on a transplant list, she was rushed to the hospital.
It was really horrible waiting because I knew that the only way I was going to make it is if I got those lungs in time. 1 month later, 3 years after her diagnosis, she did. The new life that I have is amazing. It is absolutely amazing.
We're doing things now that we haven't done in years.
Christmas shopping at the mall, just leaving the house. And keeping up with 2 energetic young boys.
Everything that I get to do with my children right now is so... It's such a gift.
It's fantastic. It is absolutely fantastic. It is such a blessing.
Something the Putnams say really hits home this holiday season.
It was such a difficult time, but now I have such an appreciation for life, and it seriously is a Christmas miracle.
Indeed. Melanie Putnam still has a long road ahead. She keeps up with an exercise regimen, takes anti-rejection medicine every day, and wears a mask in public to prevent catching anything. Now, if you'd like to hear more of her story, we've linked her website to ours. Just log on to kwqc.com. The Iowa